Hi YouTubers, today I am working on this ProSub Definite Technology ProSub 800, and it comes on. You can see the green light goes on here with the signal. It turns red and then with the signal goes green, but there is no sound at all. So what I found, it is capacitors here, they have like 220 mic, 50 volt, it was 25 volt, I put it 220 50 volt, 100 mic. See here, 1 2 3 4 5 capacitor here. See right here, this capacitor, and there was a shorted diode here, which is D4, I believe. It's right here, inside D4. It was shorted, so that's the diode right here. See, right, this diode was shorted, so I replaced the diode and these capacitors, and everything working fine. There was no voltage. There's like 48 volts supposed to go from here to the power amp, but there was no voltage going to the power amp. So after I placed these parts, all these, the diode and these are the 6 capacitors, which was in the power supply, and it's working fine now. Everything looks like okay. Let's see. Thank you for watching.